It's an open loot, but the authorities are turning a blind eye. Despite the ban on thorium export, documents reveal that thorium-rich mineral monazite is being illegally shipped out of the country. And what is worse, indications are rife that private mining firms are violating the export ban, and they have the tacit backing of those entrusted with enforcing the law.
It's a naturally occurring radioactive element and offers potential advantages over uranium. Thorium is a precious nuclear fuel, but India is squandering it.
After removing other strategic minerals from this beach sand, monazite is supposed to be returned to either the Department of Atomic Energy or to IREL. But this document in Times Now's possession shows how the centre has coolly allowed private sand mining companies to dispose of this radioactive monazite by themselves.
And now there's proof with Times Now to show how mining for this precious nuclear fuel was allowed even as states chose to turn a blind eye. Mining for monazite, which contains thorium, is allowed only by government agency IREL, but in this case a private firm was recommended, and shockingly by the state government.
Array of officials who are involved in this. Without their knowledge, this monazite cannot be kept. You cannot call it as a hypothetical question, because we are asking, see, for example, we know 4% of the material is monazite. That means if you are taking 100 kgs, 4 kg is monazite.
Proof 2 of the open loot. This letter again showing how monazite was conveniently edited from an agreement between a state agency and a private mining firm so it could go unnoticed.
அது வந்து சொல்ல போனா அது கண்டெம்ப்ட் ஆஃப் பார்லிமெண்ட் தான். அது வந்து ரொம்ப சீரியஸா பார்க்க வேண்டிய விஷயம். அந்த நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் அடிப்படையில் தான் இவங்க எல்லாம் இஷ்டத்துக்கு அவிழ்த்து விடப்பட்டார்கள். அதனால தான் கடற்கரையை அவங்க இஷ்டத்துக்கு மொட்டை அடிக்கலான்ற அளவுக்கு அவங்க வந்து கீழே போனாங்க.
It's a shame, as India is the world's leading reserve for thorium, which is also part of India's 3-stage nuclear power program. And sadly, we don't seem to care even as it's looted under the government's watch.
Times Now digs deeper, a maze of corruption and collusion slowly appears. State governments of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala, as well as the centre, have some tough questions to answer as to how these illegal exports of thorium have taken place right under their noses, and why no action has been taken to stop this for so long.
You cannot export or sell it to anybody, and you cannot keep and retain with you in your premises the monazite along with the tail. Either you have to take your own responsibility and see that no pollution takes place.
Take a look at a rough estimate into how much of nuclear fuel has already been lost, and the figures that emerge are shocking. So why is the government choosing to turn a blind eye?
थोरियम एक ऐसा मिनरल है देश में, शायद दुनिया में और कोई देशों में है, और जो चेन्नई से लेके तो केरला के किनार पट्टी पे जो मिलता है, तो इसमें कोस्टल ये जो मिनरल है, इसमें एक मोनाजाइट नाम की जो रेत है, सैंड है, उसमें इसका प्रमाण कुछ होता है. सरकार ने इसकी जो नीति बनाई है वो सरकार को ही नहीं मालूम है.
On the face of it, the Department of Atomic Energy claims nobody has ever been given permission to mine for monazite. But the truth on India's coast speaks a different story. And as the loot stands exposed, will we finally wake up or let this too get stolen? With Sandhya Ravishankar in Chennai, Niranjan for Times Now.